Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. To be honest, I just got done with my workout, so sorry for all the grossness right now. But as I was working out, I actually got a box that I just ordered on my Beachbody account. So here it is. I'm actually so excited to get it. I actually ordered this on the 26th. And I just got it today. So it was like some fast shipping. But I was so excited because, to be honest, my shaker cup, I know what I got. Which I probably shouldn't say anything, but just because, I ordered it. But I'm so excited just to show you guys what I got. And there are some things that I've been wanting to have for a while and I just haven't gotten into it. So here is my receipt, of course. And then I got some new shaker cups. I got them in a set of like 6. I got 6 shaker cups. So obviously I'll drink my Shakeology in here, my Energize, whatever. But I was actually running out of cups just because, one, yes, cups do break. They go through massive use. And of course I work with kids, so sometimes they're quite aggressive, so they tend to break. Or they just drop and they just shatter kind of. Because they are strong, or not strong, but they are plastic, so they don't last long. But I did get 6 of these for, hold on. My shaker cups were $9.95, and I got 6 of them. I might order some more just because I really do like these cups. They're really nice. So I hope, I'm so excited. I love my shaker cups. So once I'm done with this, I'll definitely be drinking some of my Shakeology, which is actually the flavor that I just got recently, is my green berry, which is sitting right next to me. So I'm excited to get these. Definitely going to need them. And then let's see. I don't know which one. Okay, so I have been wanting to do this program for such a long time, but the thing is though, I never had the, you can use whatever you want to use, but these are just like little matte markers. They're agility markers. That's what it is. And then you get just 4 colors: red, yellow, orange, and blue. And pretty much you can write whatever on these. Like you can do it, crush your goals, anything like that. So I'm excited to get that. This, actually, the shift markers is from Shift Shop. So here is a little calendar. So it gives you like the day, like what workout you should be doing on the day that you need. So for example, if I had started this program, today, I would, maybe this is with a couple of the new workouts that he just did not too long ago. So I'm really excited to get into this program. It's gonna be really nice. I did try it not too long ago, but just never succeeded and never was really into it at one point. But I am excited to start it. And then, of course, it gives you a little booklet of all the recipes that would be good for this program, which is amazing. It gives you stuff for Shakeology, they mostly show like the vanilla and the strawberry and the chocolate and a bunch of other stuff, but I just never really got into a lot of the strawberry Shakeologies or the chocolate. I'm not a big fan, but my favorite is actually the greenberry. But if I do get the vegan, or if I do get another Shakeology, it'd probably be a vegan flavor. I think it's the tropical strawberry. I don't know. Either the no, it would be the regular strawberry. I do like that one, and I sometimes put blueberries in it, or some kind of like extra juice that's actually really good for you. But yeah, of course it gives you like a bunch of like recipes. It gives you, let's see, like it gives you week 1 breakfast, and then it gave you week 2 breakfast right here, and then eventually it just will go on to week 3, and that's about it. So I'm really excited to try this new program out. So if anyone would like to check that out, I will post up my link if you guys are interested in checking it out. So another thing that I have been wanting to try are actually our beach bars. So this one is not as new, but it is called the Chocolate Cherry Almond Beach Bars. So these are, I've heard these are really good. So I'm excited to get these tried out, or to try these out. This comes in with 15 bars, and not only that, I got the chocolate almond crunch. So I'm also really excited to try this one out too. It comes in with also 15 bars as well. You can get these things into a monthly subscription. That also includes, you can subscribe to the Shakeology, and the Hydrate, the Energize, the Recover, and I think there's a few others. So yeah, like I think I'm excited. With the 2 boxes, I think it was like $52 or something. I don't really know. But I'm actually really excited to get this opened up and to eat one. Actually, I'm gonna eat one now to tell you guys. So I'm gonna do the chocolate almond crunch. This is the packaging. It's very simple. But yeah, let's try it out and see if you guys like it, or see if I like it, because I've really been wanting to try this. It tastes pretty good. Just so you guys know, this would be like a good, whoops, sorry guys, on the go snack. Let's see. Oh, that's really good. It tastes like one of those cereal bars. I'm excited. So excited to try these. So excited. So I will be posting this on the link. This is what they look like. And it has like a bunch of chocolate. Who does not like chocolate? I mean, I probably shouldn't say much because I'm not a big fan of chocolate, but if it does taste good, I will eat it. These are our vegan plant-based snack bars, and these are not vegan, but these are still good for you too. Okay, so I'm gonna eat the rest of this off camera. And I hope you guys like this video. But yeah, I figured you guys would like to see something else different. I'll see you guys later on today. I'll be doing probably another unboxing soon. I'm hoping at least 2 more, because I'm supposed to get my sleigh box today, and not only that, I'm supposed to get my Lorella box. So I'm hoping that comes in today. Well, at least it's supposed to, so who knows. I'm gonna be doing some try-ons, and yeah, so I'll see you guys soon. Bye, guys.